stayed at Campground, which was only $40 for non-residents. It had water and electric and a convenient dump station. Well, good morning. We're joining you today from the Morton Arboretum in Lisle, Illinois. It's a little western suburb and a huge campus full of plants and outdoor sculptures, and we're going to take advantage of this great weather and bicycle around today.
Got about 9 miles worth of trails.
So we've secured our bikes at the visitor center. The Arboretum was established by Joy Morton, founder of the Morton Salt Company. Oh, fun. There's one of the critters now. We gotta get on here. And it's one way. One way, and you can just drive this way. There's a shortcut here. Oh, see, it's a one-way drive. It's 4/10 of a mile to walk the path up to the snail that's on the berm up there. Woo! Oh, I made it. Well, that was about 8 miles on the driving and biking road that surrounds the Morton Arboretum. We went through lush forests and woodlands and meadows, and there were specimens of plants and trees from all over the world. So we're going to take a little break and do a short walk from the visitor center to see some of the exhibit that's going on now, which is called Vivid Creatures. The wingspan of Cadence, modeled after a sandhill crane, stretches 26 feet wide. Scamp, a fox squirrel, is just 8 feet tall. And Nimbly, a blue dasher dragonfly, spans 30 feet across and 23 feet tall. We are getting our steps in because
We are having Chicago deep dish pizza tonight from Gino.
all right. We got to see my friend Joy twice, once at her home for Chicago deep dish pizza, and then again at Emmett's Brewing Company in West Dundee. I loved meeting her friends Pete and Beth and Jim for the first time. We had a great time all together and hope we can do it again. I was introduced to Joy nearly 5 years ago. We finally met in person last year. We share the unfortunate history of losing our husbands to a terrible cancer, cholangiocarcinoma. I'm eternally grateful to the Immerman's Angels Network for introducing me to Joy, as she supported me the past almost 5 years through my grief and recovery. Join us next time. We'll be in Wisconsin visiting some relatives.